Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super neat. We have a tool for the Toyota antennas. It works for removing and also installing. You just slide this down your antenna so it comes through. This goes right onto the nut end of it. Then you can go ahead and turn it to the left or counterclockwise to remove your antenna, or turn it all the way to the right until it bottoms out. And then this tells you that you only want to tighten it to the point that it bottoms out and then an extra 45 degrees. A reference for 45 degrees would be these little hatchings right here. That just shows you, essentially, if this was bottomed out right to here, you would just kind of bring it right about so that line lines up with the original line. So that would be approximately 45 degrees. You don't want to over tighten your antenna and snap the base. This tool is perfect for it. It doesn't give you too much leverage, but just enough for when you're removing, you'll be able to get it off easy peasy. With that said, if you need this tool or any other tool, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.